Students, in question number 5, we have to factorize the given polynomial. Okay. Students, you can see here 4x square. It is the square of 2x. 9y square is the square of 3y, and 16z square is the square of 4z. We can write 2x whole square plus, and this is 3y whole square, and this is 4z whole square. And in our identity, all terms were positive, and here two terms are negative. Two terms are negative. So we have to mention either A is negative or positive, B is positive or negative, or C is positive or negative. How we clarify? You can see these two terms are negative terms, and these two terms contain this z, this z. Clear? That means our C part or Z part will be negative. Clear? Whenever you get two terms negative, and that in these two terms the Z is common, then the common part, that is 4z, will be negative term. Clear? Now we will write again. We know that a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. Students, you can note one thing. Whenever we write our identity in this form, that is right part first and then left part, that means we have to factorize. But if we write left part first and right part second, then we have to expand. Clear? So here, on comparing, we get what we get. A is equal to 2x, b is equal to 3y, and c is equal to minus 4z. Minus 4z. Got it? Why minus 4z? Because two negative terms have common part z, and z belongs to third, that is z belongs to c. Clear? So c is equal to minus 4z. Now, so a square, that is 2x whole square plus b square, that is 3y whole square, plus minus 4z whole square plus 2 into a, that is 2x into b 3y plus 2 into 3y into minus 4z plus 2 into minus 4z into 2x is equal to a plus b plus c. A is 2x plus b is 3y plus c is minus 4z whole square. Clear? So 2x whole square, that is 4x square plus 3y whole square, that is 9y square, plus minus 4z whole square, that is 16z square, plus 2 to the 4 3 is a 12 xy, plus 2 3 is a 6, 4 is a 24, or minus 24 yz, minus 2 4 is a 8 to the 16 zx, or we can write xz is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4z whole square is the answer. Student, in question number 2, we have given 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 under root 2 xy plus 4 under root 2 yz minus 8xz. So don't be afraid how this root 2 and root 2 comes. Okay, I am telling you 2x square. Here 2 is the square of something and something is what? We can write root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, or we can write root 2 square is equal to 2. Clear? And 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. Clear? 8 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2. Or if we take a square root on both sides, what we get? Root 8 is equal to 2 root 2, because from this pair we will take 1 2 and 1 2 is remaining inside, so 2 root 2. That means we can say 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 is equal to 8. Can we say 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 is equal to 8? Why? Because 2 into 2 4 and root 2 into root 2 2, 4 into 2 8. Clear? So 2 root 2 whole square is equal to 8. So we can write root 2x square as root 2x whole square y square plus 2 root 2 z square. Clear? Students, here again you can see two terms are negative. Two terms are negative. And in these two terms contains x. So our x part, that is first part, will be negative. Okay. Again you can write, we know that. What we know that? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. On comparing, we get, what do we get? A is equal to root 2x. Clear? B is equal to y and c is equal to 2 root 2 z. Clear? So root 2x, sorry, so a square, that is root 2x whole square plus y square plus 2 root 2 z whole square plus 2ab, 2 into root 2x into y plus 2bc, 2 into y into 2 root 2 z plus 2ca, 2 into 2 root 2 z into root 2 x. Clear? Is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. A, that is root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square. Clear, students? On solving, what we get? Root 2 to the power 2, that is root 2 to root 2, that is 2x square plus this y square plus 2 root 2 whole square, that is 8z square plus 2 root 2 xy plus 2 to the 4 root 2 yz plus 2 to the 4 root 2 root 2 to 8 zx is equal to root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square. So students, our question is not completing here. Why? Because we haven't take a is equal to minus 2x. Remember what I told you, that if two terms are negative and these two terms containing x, so we have to take a is equal to minus root 2x. Here we have to put minus, here we have to put minus, here we have to put minus, then here minus, here also minus. So our answer is here minus, here is minus, and here also minus. Now the question is completed. So our answer is minus 2 root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z whole square. Understand? So pause the video to be noted down. We will proceed to the next question, that is question number 6th.